First, prepare for screws and bolts to install on the T-shaped bracket. Note, the screws do not need to be tightened. Slide the T-bracket with bolts and nuts into the slide rail. Use a ratchet wrench to secure the nut. We come standard with a ratchet wrench. Stack two sliders and a nut as shown in the video. Slide the assembled parts into the slide rail. Set the crossbar. Fix the T-bracket part on the crossbar of the car with gaskets and nuts. That's all about how to set the shower awning on the car.